the river. We're about to blow up the boat. My husband's getting it out, and we're gonna see how long this takes and see how we do. It's cloudy, cool, and the water's choppy, so wish us luck. So we're setting up the boat, and this little bird comes along wanting shrimp. So, because we don't have the wheels on it yet, we are carrying it, and it's heavy. So Bill's having to set it up from over here. Yep. Okay, we're about to put on the motor, and we're gonna go for launch. I think we're ready. It's been an event. I will tell you how long in a minute when I can look myself. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Bill got the Mercury motor on. We're about to take off. So this is where we're headed. I'm not sure exactly, but we're gonna go have a lot of fun. We did it! We did it! Almost an hour, but it took us a while to get the boat motor going. Anyhow, here we are. I'm on a hunt to find dolphins. I am for fact. And I won't lie, this is awesome! Freaking awesome! Here we are! Woo! You see the pelicans? Yes, I'm missing my kids. I'm missing my Becca, my Brian, my Livy, my Lindley, and my Rory. And I'm missing my sister and her husband, Brian. But this is the best day ever for me. I'm just saying. Woo! I go over this bridge every single time we go out to the ocean, and it looks so little from here. It's amazing. Woo! Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Oh my goodness. It's just incredible. Wow. Maybe go that way a little. Not so close to the island. Okay guys, I have cast out for the first time off the boat. We'll see what happens. We're right over here near an inlet. We don't want to get stuck here, so we're being kind of cautious. We've thrown out the anchor, and look at the sunset. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. Incredible. I think we're moving. It feels like we're moving. I don't know. Wow. Incredibly awesome. I'll let you know when I get a fish. I just wanted you to see the peace and the beauty which God has given us. Oh my goodness, Jesus, you are so good. God the Father, for creating all of this. And the beauty of Florida. Incredible. Stay tuned. I'm watching for the dolphins. I'm gonna bring hot chocolate next time. I really am. I'm gonna bring like coffee or hot chocolate. I'm getting one of those thermoses that keeps it hot, you know? We're packing it in. It's getting late. Lights are coming on. And we don't have boat lights yet. So we're packing it in. Wonderful day.